I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making bacon pecan fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Well, compadres, we've reached the 5th and final week of Fudge-a-palooza. Can you believe it? And you know what that means? It's National Fudge Day, and boy do I have a treat for you. This is actually a double celebration. Not only is today National Fudge Day, but Sunday is Father's Day. And I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate than by combining fudge and bacon. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own bacon pecan fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 16 ounces of chocolate, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of room temperature butter, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 16 ounces of bacon, and 2 cups of chopped pecans. I'm also using a microwave safe bowl, an 8x8 pan, a baking sheet, some aluminum foil, a cutting board, some parchment, and a couple of spatulas. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the 8x8 pan with parchment, then set it aside. Place the pecans on a lined baking sheet. And toast them at 350 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Raise the oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and slice the bacon into 1/4-inch strips and place them on a lined baking sheet. Cook the bacon for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes. Drain the bacon grease and let the bacon cool. Set aside 1/4 cup of the bacon to use as a topping. Add the chocolate, sweetened condensed milk, butter, and whipping cream to a microwave-safe bowl, and heat it in 30-second intervals, stirring after each until it's melted and smooth. Fold the bacon and pecans into the chocolate mixture. Spread the fudge evenly into the lined 8x8 pan. Immediately top the fudge with the reserved bacon and gently press it into the fudge. Refrigerate it for 4 hours or until it's set. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. This is some really good fudge. The fudge itself is smooth and creamy, and while the nuts and bacon give it two different kinds of crunch, there's also a bit of chewiness from the bacon. It's a very interesting texture profile. The chocolate is delicious, and the nutty pecan and smoky, salty bacon flavors add up to an amazing treat that's perfect for Father's Day. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time. Some aluminum. Once the oven has come to temperature, bake the bake the bacon. I'm about to sneeze.